This is Paul. Yeah, I was just reading you in the law, and it says disposition of your life insurance proceeds. For a great many people, life insurance makes up all or most of their estate. If you do not own it, you should read carefully the clauses in your policy covering disposition proceeds on your death. Quite often people die. And let's say you sowed into the soul of those that are elected or appointed to office. You sowed into the soul of those that are in law enforcement that said, we're not going to enforce the laws of the United States. And you pulled them into Eden because they had sex with a fish or a frog or a lizard or whatever they were having sex with. And they really lost their soul when they decided they were going to go the way of the fish family. Yes! Now, over the last 40, 50 years, there have been those that have died. I just wanted to know all the life insurance that's been paid to every beneficiary of every life insurance policy. Could you get me all the life insurance that has already been paid? Now, let's say you clone a person. Clone doesn't have a soul. No. But you thought, well, we'll use technology and we'll control the clone, and the clone will do what we say, even though a clone doesn't have a soul. You buy some life insurance for the clone. I mean, it looks like a person. Next thing you know, you're having some sort of fictitious funeral for those that are mourning the loss of the clone that was made to purchase life insurance. So they could get paid those tax-free life insurance benefits. Now, I'm going to need to know every clone and every fish that is or has been a lobbyist. All of those that have passed away over the last 40 years that were oaths of office, that were police officers and sheriffs, that were sworn oaths of office for the last 40 years that are no longer with us. Then I'm going to need to know the beneficiaries of their life insurance proceeds. Did any in the fish family decide that they were just going to clone, 25, 30 of themselves, remove the soul out of the clones, issue life insurance policies for all of them, excuse me, and then they pay each other off having tax-free life insurance benefits? Now, I'm having some difficulty today getting the Constitution supported and defended. But for every beneficiary of every life insurance policy that's not an actual human being, let's go ahead. I'm going to have to take their estates and then probably put them asleep for a long time. Now, these soulless clones and fish that, come to find out, you got to be in the fish family to pay for your constitutional rights being enforced. I'm just going to want to know how many of them have already died.